Welcome back to Power Tools Pro. If you're passionate about woodworking and love smart, precision-driven tools, this video's for you. Today, we're diving into 20 mind-blowing Kreg tools that improve accuracy, speed, and overall build quality, whether you're a beginner or a professional woodworker. The Kreg Drill Guide Pro is designed for woodworkers who want drill press accuracy without owning a drill press. This compact yet powerful guide ensures perfectly straight holes at 90 degrees or precise angled holes for specialized joinery. Built with hardened steel drill guides, it provides long-lasting durability and consistent performance. The adjustable angle settings allow drilling from 45 degrees to 90 degrees, making it extremely versatile for furniture, cabinetry, and general workshop projects. An integrated depth stop ensures repeatable hole depth, which is crucial for doweling and hardware installation. The non-slip base keeps the guide steady on wood, metal, and plastic surfaces, reducing movement and mistakes. Lightweight and portable, the Drill Guide Pro is perfect for job site and small workshops. If clean, accurate holes matter to your project, this tool is a total game changer. The Kreg Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro XL is a must-have tool for installing cabinet knobs and pulls with absolute precision. Designed to handle both drawers and doors, this jig eliminates the need for measuring and marking each time. The XL version features extended reach, making it ideal for oversized cabinet doors and wide drawer fronts, commonly found in modern kitchens. Built-in measurement scales and hardened steel drill guides ensure consistent hole placement every time. Its adjustable fence system allows fast setup and repeatable results across multiple cabinets. Whether you're a professional installer or a DIY homeowner, this jig dramatically reduces installation time while preventing costly alignment mistakes. Durable, accurate, and easy to use, the Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro XL delivers clean, professional results that instantly elevate the look of any cabinetry project. The Kreg Rip Cut transforms an ordinary circular saw into a precision ripping tool. Designed for straight, accurate cuts, it allows you to rip plywood and sheet goods up to 24 inches wide with ease. The adjustable guide rail locks in your desired width, ensuring repeatable cuts without measuring each time. This tool is perfect for breaking down large sheets when a table saw isn't available. Lightweight yet durable, the Rip Cut attaches quickly to most circular saws and is easy to transport. Woodworkers appreciate how it improves accuracy while reducing setup time. Whether you're building cabinets, shelving, or furniture, the Rip Cut delivers clean, straight edges with minimal effort. For job site and home workshops alike, it's an affordable way to achieve professional-level cutting precision. The Kreg Pocket Hole Joiner Kit introduces cordless convenience to pocket hole joinery. Powered by Kreg's 20-volt ionic drive system, this tool delivers fast, consistent pocket holes with minimal setup. Unlike traditional jigs, it automatically clamps to the material, ensuring proper alignment every time. Adjustable settings allow you to work with different material thicknesses, making it suitable for furniture, cabinets, and framing projects. The built-in LED light improves visibility in low-light workshops, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling. This kit dramatically speeds up assembly without sacrificing joint strength or accuracy. Ideal for professionals and serious DIYers, the Pocket Hole Joiner Kit brings modern efficiency to one of woodworking's most popular joinery methods. The Kreg SureCut Fine Finishing Saw Blade is engineered for ultra-smooth, tear-out-free cuts. Featuring a high-quality carbide tooth design, this blade delivers clean edges on plywood, hardwood, and laminated materials. The optimized tooth geometry reduces vibration and noise while improving overall cut quality. Ideal for furniture building and finish carpentry, it ensures professional results straight from the saw. Its thin kerr design minimizes material waste and reduces strain on cordless saws. Whether used on circular saws or track saw systems, the blade maintains sharpness over extended use. If flawless finishes matter in your woodworking projects, this blade is a reliable upgrade that delivers consistent premium performance. The Kreg Dowel Jig Kit is a precision-focused joinery solution for woodworkers who prefer strong, clean, and hidden joints. Designed with hardened steel drill guides, this jig ensures perfectly aligned dowel holes every time. It supports multiple dowel sizes, making it versatile for furniture, cabinetry, and panel joinery projects. The self-centering design automatically aligns the jig on the material, eliminating guesswork and reducing setup time. Built from durable aluminum and reinforced components, it offers long-term accuracy, even under heavy use. The jig includes adjustable spacing settings, allowing consistent dowel placement across multiple workpieces. Ideal for edge-to-edge, corner, and surface joints, the Dowel Jig Kit delivers excellent joint strength without visible fasteners. For woodworkers who value traditional joinery with modern precision, this tool provides professional results with minimal effort. The Kreg 20V Ionic Drive Trim Router is built for precision routing tasks like edge profiling, trimming laminate, and fine detail work. Compact and lightweight, it offers excellent control, making it ideal for one-handed operation. Powered by Kreg's 20V battery system, it delivers consistent power without the hassle of cords. The variable speed control allows users to match speed to material type, ensuring smooth and burn-free results. A clear base improves visibility, while the ergonomic grip enhances comfort during extended use. Whether you're rounding edges, cutting grooves, or trimming veneers, this trim router delivers clean, professional finishes. It's a perfect addition for woodworkers who value precision, portability, and modern cordless convenience. The Kreg 20V Ionic Drive Oscillating Multi-Tool is one of the most versatile tools in any workshop. Designed for cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding, it handles tasks that other tools simply can't reach. Its compact head and oscillating action allow precise plunge cuts and flush cuts in tight spaces. Powered by Kreg's 20V battery platform, it delivers consistent performance with reduced vibration for better control. The tool-free blade change system makes switching accessories fast and effortless. Whether you're trimming door frames, removing grout, or sanding corners, this multi-tool adapts instantly. Ideal for woodworking, remodeling, and finishing work, it's a must-have problem solver for both professionals and DIYers. The Kreg 20V Ionic Drive Barrel Grip Jigsaw is engineered for smooth, controlled cutting in wood, plywood, and sheet materials. The barrel grip design lowers the user's hand closer to the cutting line, providing superior balance and precision. With variable speed control and orbital action settings, it adapts easily to straight cuts, curves, and intricate shapes. The powerful motor delivers clean cuts while minimizing vibration. Tool-free blade changes make workflow faster, and the integrated dust blower keeps the cut line visible. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture, and detailed woodworking projects, this jigsaw offers professional performance in a cordless format. It's a perfect choice for woodworkers who demand accuracy and comfort in detailed cutting tasks. The Kreg 20V Ionic Drive Plunge-Cut Track Saw is built for woodworkers who demand maximum accuracy and clean, splinter-free cuts. Designed to work seamlessly with Kreg track systems, this saw delivers straight, controlled cuts on plywood, MDF, and solid wood panels. The plunge-cut mechanism allows you to start cuts anywhere on the material, making it ideal for cutouts, cabinet panels, and precise trim work. Powered by Kreg's 20V ionic drive battery, it provides strong, consistent performance without cord restrictions. Adjustable depth control and bevel settings offer versatility for different project needs. The anti-chip track design ensures professional quality edges every time. For workshops that need track saw precision without sacrificing portability, this tool is a serious upgrade. The Kreg 20V Ionic Drive 7¼ circular saw is a powerful, full-size cutting tool designed for framing, plywood cutting, and general woodworking tasks. Its brushless motor delivers efficient power and longer runtime, making it suitable for demanding job site use. The saw features an adjustable bevel capacity for angled cuts and a precise depth adjustment system for controlled cutting. Ergonomic handle design and balanced weight distribution reduce fatigue during extended use. Powered by Kreg's 20V battery platform, it offers cordless freedom without compromising performance. Whether you're ripping boards, cross-cutting lumber, or breaking down sheet goods, this circular saw delivers clean, confident cuts. It's a reliable choice for woodworkers who need professional power in a cordless format. The Kreg 20V Ionic Drive Random Orbit Sander Kit is built for smooth, swirl-free sanding results. Designed for surface preparation and finish sanding, it uses a random orbit motion that minimizes visible sanding marks. The ergonomic grip and balanced design reduce vibration, allowing comfortable use during long sanding sessions. Powered by Kreg's 20V battery system, it offers cordless convenience with consistent performance. The efficient dust collection system helps keep your workspace clean while improving sanding accuracy. Ideal for furniture projects, cabinetry, and refinishing work, this sander delivers professional quality finishes with minimal effort. It's an essential tool for woodworkers who care about clean, polished final results. The Kreg 20V Ionic Drive Portable Impact Driver is engineered for fast, efficient driving of screws and fasteners. Compact and lightweight, it delivers high torque while remaining easy to control in tight spaces. The variable speed trigger provides excellent control, preventing overdriving or stripping screws. Powered by Kreg's 20V battery platform, it ensures strong performance and long runtime. Its ergonomic grip improves comfort, making it ideal for cabinetry, furniture assembly, and general woodworking tasks. Whether you're ripping boards, working on repetitive fastening jobs, this impact driver boosts productivity and precision. It's a must-have power tool in any modern woodworking setup. The Kreg Dust Separator is an essential tool for keeping your workshop clean while improving vacuum performance. Designed to work with any standard shop vacuum, it captures heavy dust, wood chips, and debris before they reach your vacuum's filter, reducing clogging and maintaining strong suction. The sturdy construction ensures durability and long-term use, while the clear container lets you see when it's time to empty. Ideal for woodworking, sanding, and cutting operations, it helps maintain a cleaner, safer workspace. With quick setup and simple maintenance, the dust separator improves both efficiency and equipment lifespan. Professional woodworkers and hobbyists alike will appreciate how it reduces downtime and protects both tools and lungs from airborne dust. For anyone serious about workshop cleanliness and tool performance, this is a must-have accessory. The Kreg Corner Routing Guide Set is perfect for precise corner cuts, inlays, and edge routing. Designed to attach easily to your router, the guide ensures consistent, repeatable results on tight corners and edges. Each piece of the set is made from durable materials with high-precision machining, providing reliable accuracy for woodworking projects of all types. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture, and decorative woodworking, it allows smooth transitions and professional-looking edges without trial and error. The easy setup saves time, and the versatility of the guide ensures compatibility with multiple router models. Whether you're cutting grooves, shaping corners, or creating decorative insets, this guide set improves accuracy and efficiency. Woodworkers seeking precise, clean routing will find this tool invaluable in both shop and job site settings. The Kreg Mortise Mate Loose Tenon Jig is designed for creating strong, precise mortise and tenon joints quickly and efficiently. Compatible with various table and plunge routers, it ensures consistent alignment for mortises of different sizes. The adjustable setup allows repeatable cuts across multiple workpieces, making it ideal for furniture, cabinetry, and frame construction. The robust aluminum and steel construction ensures stability and long-term durability, while the precise guides prevent errors and material damage. By simplifying mortise and tenon joinery, the jig saves time while providing professional-grade strength and fit. Perfect for beginners or seasoned woodworkers, this jig delivers accuracy, efficiency, and versatility, enabling projects that require strong, hidden joinery without the complexity of traditional methods. The Kreg Magnetic Stud Finder is a simple yet reliable tool for detecting wall studs before drilling or installing hardware. Unlike electronic finders, this magnetic tool requires no batteries and works by locating nails or screws within studs. Its compact, lightweight design allows easy one-handed operation, and the durable housing ensures long-term use. This finder is perfect for installing shelves, cabinets, or picture frames with confidence, avoiding unnecessary wall damage. Professional installers and DIY enthusiasts alike benefit from its accuracy and simplicity. Quick, dependable, and low maintenance, the Kreg Magnetic Stud Finder takes the guesswork out of wall projects, helping ensure every screw and anchor hits its mark. The Kreg Pocket Hole Jig Micro is designed for ultra-compact woodworking projects and precision joinery. Perfect for small boxes, picture frames, and miniature furniture, it allows accurate pocket holes in tight spaces. Its hardened steel drill guides ensure clean, consistent holes, while the adjustable design supports various material thicknesses. Lightweight and portable, the Micro Jig is ideal for hobbyists, model makers, or any project where traditional jigs are too large. Despite its size, it delivers the same professional results expected from larger Kreg pocket hole systems. With easy setup, repeatable alignment, and exceptional accuracy, this tool expands the possibilities for small-scale joinery while maintaining strength and durability. That concludes our list of 20 mind-blowing Kreg tools every woodworker must see. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Power Tools Pro for more expert tool reviews, tips, and woodworking guides. Which Kreg tool will upgrade your workshop the most? Let us know below.